how to connect your Lemlist with N8n. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Lemlist with N8n so you can automate your lead management and email campaign. So let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about the requirement. First, obviously you need to have the Lemlist account and the N8n account. That's it. These are the two requirements you have to have. Now, third thing, which doesn't necessary, but you can connect Gemini chat model. To connect your Gemini chat model, you need to have the Gemini API. So I have already created a video for that. So this is a free chat model you can connect with the AI agent. Instead of paying API, you can use this method. Now let's get back to video. Now, as you can see, I have already created this workflow. In this video, we will perform two actions like creating your lead and getting your lead. So if you're a beginner, let me show you how you can do that. So let me just remove all of this, and I will open my workflow, give a name, workflow 2, and then I will add our chat trigger where whatever I will enter over here, it will pass through the AI agent. Now in the chat model, I will select Gemini chat model because I have already connected my Gemini chat model with our engine. So if you want to see, just go into description and you will get the link. Now from here, you have to search for Lemlist. There are two ways you can put your node into Canvas using Lemlist tool and using N8n tool. So using AI agents tool, you can basically it gets handy, to be honest. Okay, there we go. I will select this get operation. That's okay. Now let's move and enter the Lemlist create lead node, Lemlist create node, and from here you have to set up. Now in the resources, you have to select the lead and operation. You have to select the create operation, then you have to enter the email. Now as you can see, I have already run that. Now, let's open our Lemlist account and then we will connect it. As you can see, we get the API key. We have to enter the API key. Now if you want more assistance, you can just simply click on this open document of N8n where you can see the prerequisites. So you need to have a create account of Lemlist instance. So as you can see, I have already created account. I will just simply sign up with my Lemlist account. When you redirect it to your dashboard, from the left side, you will see there is an option or setting in the bottom left side. Just simply click on your profile, and from there you have to select the settings. And from here you have to go to this integration option. Just simply click on it, and from here you can integrate different third-party applications like Slack, OpenAI, and all of those. Now we need API key, so we will go into top where you can see API overview. Just simply click on it, and from here you can see I have already created two API keys. So click on this generate button, and here it will ask you to enter the name and attend a tutorial, and then simply click on this create key button. As you can see, we have our API key. Just copy this and get back to my N8n, paste this API key over here, and then simply click on the save button, and it will test the connection. Wait for a few seconds, and our connection has been successfully tested. That means the Lemlist is connected with our N8n. Now let's perform some of the actions. Now I will open my chat and say, give me my lead. Let's try if it works or not. I can only get lead by that example. So let's create lead and then we will get the lead. Create a lead with the email of real original email @gmail.com. Let's create this. As you can see, this node, if this node is executed, it means we have created successfully. It worked successfully. Now let's get the lead. Now hit enter, it will take that input. As you can see, it's working correctly. So it means we have successfully created short workflow. Now, if you go into your Lemlist account, let's close this. As you can see, we have successfully generated our lead. So that's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel. If you don't understand the video, just comment it down below and we'll create more understandable videos. So if you get any error, just comment it down below, or you can join our Discord server for more interesting conversation about N8n. Thanks for watching.